All right, guys, it's showtime. This is how you do your cantilever for the pool. With any luck, this will be the last concrete job I have to do. All right, so we're cutting some wire mesh right there to put in the pour. Here's the pool deck right there. Flying the drone over for about 20 seconds right here. Guys are putting that cantilever styrofoam on. That's what gives you the edge of the pool right there. Getting everything prepped. There's the homeowner. All right, making a mad dash to get it finished. Got concrete here, ready to start wheelbarrowing. Rock and roll. We're on it now. We're on a roll. Not quite half. If I can get to right there across with this first truck, then I'll be good on concrete. That's halfway right there, almost to the step. Okay, that's one truck. And then I'm gonna get the GoPro, and the second truck I'm gonna put on fast forward with a little bit of music, and then I'll be right back. almost there. We're about 2/3. All right, guys. There you have it. Finished product there. Anyways, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna keep this wet till 9:30 tonight. Homeowner will do that, and then tomorrow morning from sun up, every 30 minutes tonight. Then tomorrow from sun up until noon, and then I'll be over here at 1 o'clock and start saw cutting. Then we'll wet it a couple more times tomorrow afternoon. Call it good. All these other joints are 3/4 inch. So I would say just cut it down 3/4 of an inch and you're good. I'm probably an inch. So I overkill a little bit, but 3/4 is perfect. We've got 2 more cuts to make. We put in a lot of joints, but Brian and I looked it over today. We decided these 3 other spots would make it perfect. Rather be safe than sorry. Brian is pulling all my stakes out, and he will be taking the forms off. That way the deck is complete. I'll be cleaned up, all my materials, and done after that. Then the plaster guy comes back Saturday. He's got to touch up a little bit of tile and start his plaster. I shouldn't, I think they plaster everything in one day, fill it with water, and then they're almost done at that point. They'll be in business. They'll be swimming here in about 10 days. All right, one more walk around, guys. Finished product. Beautiful job. There's that saw cut I put in over here. Perfect. All right. That'll wrap it up for Concrete Cowboy. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the last job. Hopefully my last job. Thanks so much. Appreciate you all the time. God bless. Have a great day.